Spending time with nature is one of the most important things for the overall development of a child, and it can be achieved in multiple ways.
Hi everyone, this is Mads and I welcome you all to our YouTube family channel Mike and Mads M&M. Today we just took a break from our regular schedule and we came towards the outskirts of the city where we live, and we came to a farm to spend some time with the farm animals and to be with the goodness of nature. So in this vlog you will see all the farm animals, our kids playing with the farm animals.
Mommy dog brought a dog and sister dog. Look, mommy dog.
Addie and Saish both love spending time with the animals as well as the birds, and it is kind of a quarterly routine for us wherein once in every 3 months we take them to the nearby national parks, national sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, rescue homes, or the local zoo. So this time we thought of bringing them to a petting zoo wherein they can spend time with the animals as well as the birds by feeding them, playing with them in their natural raw environment without any boundaries.
Sir, you can click picture for
Yeah. Yes.
Bringing kids to the petting zoo was a big hit, and we all had a gala time playing and feeding the animals in their raw environment.
This species will give mice.
Spending time with nature and with animals is the best stress buster